Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today is part 2 of the classic aesthetic. As mentioned in part 1, homes infused with classic design elements of beauty and ornamentation are timeless, elegant and rich in character. Last week we discussed how classic architectural elements such as wall mouldings, murals, friezes, plasterwork and ceiling ornamentation can be integrated into both new and old homes to evoke an inspiring ambience. For an in-depth introduction, we recommend you watch part 1, linked in the description box below. The Classic Aesthetic Part 2, Windows and Doors. The first way to infuse the classic aesthetic into your home is by updating your window and door style and trim. Window styles. When it comes to classic or neoclassical window styles, consider double hung or single hung windows that are rectangular in shape. Other popular styles include sliding windows, arch-top windows, transom windows, and bay or bow windows. Classic decorative accents include painted interior or exterior shutters, stained glass windows, embellishments such as capitals, and old curtain pelmets. Classic door styles include arched doors, panel doors, a pocket door, bifold doors, French doors, and traditional panel doors with siding. A decorative door or window trim will contribute to the overall interior look, just like a picture frame for a beautiful artwork. Classical pediments are another trim detail seen in Georgian, colonial and Victorian designs, such as the addition of a decorative pediment over the front porch. Pilasters are another effective way to enhance any opening in your home and provide a distinctive frame around the vertical sides of windows and doors. Lastly, trim paint can be used to provide a satin, semi-gloss, gloss or high-gloss sheen finish. For a harmonious look, keep the trim the same colour as the walls to highlight the architectural ornamentation, or paint it in a contrasting colour for visual interest. Wall niches. In classical architecture, a niche is a decorative addition to a wall for the purpose of displaying a statue, vase, or other decorative element. Wall niches were a common feature in the stucco and adobe walled homes of the Mission and Spanish colonial styles, among others. The classic wall niche typically features clean line designs with gently sloping sides, with other styles featuring semicircles, arched or domed tops, and decorative ornamentation depicting scrolls, florals, urns, vases, and shell-like fluting at the apex. Some ideas for styling and placement of wall niches include illuminating the niche with warm LED strip uplights, display a sculptural art piece, vase or floral arrangement, a wall niched bookshelf for a reading corner, a shower niche for your toiletries, a stylish and functional coffee station, a niche built into the kitchen range alcove. Classic flooring. The third way to infuse the classic aesthetic is through your choice of flooring. Hardwood floors are a timeless complement to any interior due to their organic texture and natural grain. Popular wood choices include red or white oak, walnut and ash. For richness and warmth, you may also consider hickory, cherry or maple. If you want to add character and highlight the grain and uniqueness of the wood, then wide plank flooring is ideal. Alternatively, narrow planks will allow you to achieve pattern designs such as herringbone, classic chevron or block parquet. Other elegant flooring choices include marble, antique reclaimed terracotta, neutral wall-to-wall carpeting, luxury patterned vinyl, black and white tiles, and traditional area rugs and runners like Turkish kilims, Persians, or Orbison designs. Fireplace surrounds and mantels. Fireplace surrounds and mantels are another key element within classical interiors and are often crafted from wood, marble, limestone, brick or travertine. Fireplace mantel anatomy. The fireplace mantel comes in two major parts, the lower mantel and the optional over mantel. The lower parts include the shelf, legs, header, inner trim and hearth, whereas the over mantel includes the crown and cladding tiles. Some of the key surround and mantel styles include the Louis Revival, which features flat fronts, the Louis XV with its gentle curves and swag designs, the Louis XVI with a square, masculine and classic design, Tudor styles made from sandstone or limestone, Renaissance styles featuring an overmantel with elaborate detailing, Georgian styles made from wood or marble with sleek, symmetrical lines, intricate carvings and broken pediments, and the simple, tall and slender Edwardian styles. Other decorative additions include a panelled overmantel, a mantel shelf, and decorative pediments, cornices and pilasters. Staircases. The final way to infuse a classic aesthetic into your home is with your staircase, including the handrailing, banister, balustrade, treads and newels. Staircase construction. Staircases have traditionally been built of traditional hardwood, as well as stone or marble, and iron or steel. The horizontal surface of a step is called its tread, and the vertical front is its riser. Strings are supported by newel posts that also support the handrail, forming a balustrade. A banister is a rail supported by posts and fixed along the side of a staircase. A balustrade is a railing system that may consist of newel posts, ornamental panels, balusters, post caps, decorative finials, and the base rail. Classic staircase styles include the classic straight style, the L shape or quarter turn, spiral stairs, a continuous curved style, the grandiose bifurcated style, and freestanding curved staircase with wrought iron railing. Other staircase details include panelling, decorative stair brackets, and classic feature steps such as cattail or bullnose designs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of the classic aesthetic and have a deeper appreciation for the timeless details present in classical design. As mentioned at the beginning, we look forward to sharing more classic design elements in part 3 of the classic aesthetic soon. Please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.